All right, chilly start to the week, and White Christmas, not really on the agenda either.
When you said chili, my mind went straight to food. I don't know why that just happened.
It's a great day for chili.
It is a great day for that. I'm just hungry, I guess, at this point.
Yeah, me too. I think that's the problem.
But yes, it is very cold, and at least we're feeling like we need that warmer food, and like we are also getting to the first day of winter. Yes, it's the last day of fall officially today, and it's more noticeable now that we brought in some colder air over the weekend. Temperature sitting at 33 degrees right now in Hagerstown, and most of the viewing area is pretty much hanging out in those 30s after a very cold start to the week, and there's a wide look at it there. Chambersburg has gone all the way up to 38. Frederick is sitting at 37 degrees, and then we also have 32 in Charlestown and 38 in and around the D.C. metro. So temperatures are steadily starting to climb up for the most part, and it does also help that we are not seeing those winds out there for the most part at all either. So no wind chill factor like what we were dealing with this time yesterday with the colder temps plus those breezy winds. Now, other than that, it is very, very, very quiet out there as we have sunny skies prevailing on this Monday. You won't even find a cloud really at all across the entire viewing area, so the sunshine is also helping to try to make it feel a little bit warmer still, and this massive area of high pressure is what's keeping us on the quiet side of things. It's moving off to the east with time here today, so eventually it will start to lose its influence on our area a little bit tonight going into tomorrow, and that's when we'll start to notice just some subtle changes, but nothing too drastic. So there we go, staying chilly as winter officially arrives for us tomorrow, the shortest day of the year, taking place on Tuesday. We can look forward to more daylight after that. Tomorrow will be a little bit more on the cloudy side because as that high moves away, the next storm system will move along the Atlantic coastline way south of us. So we'll see the clouds from that system, but it's not likely we get any sort of rainfall from that. And of course, with the way it's been, with how dry it's been, we're not looking at any snowfall for Christmas at this point. And then on top of that, temperatures are going to be way too warm for any sort of snowfall. As a matter of fact, Christmas Day is looking like the warmest day of the forecast. Go figure. That's been a trend of late. So here we go. High pressure. It's going to be situated right off to our south, but pretty much nearby all the way through the night tonight and off into the early morning hours on Tuesday. So very clear, very quiet. Now watch this. As we head into the morning tomorrow, those high clouds from that southerly system are going to start to move in. And while we will still see some peaks of sunshine, those high clouds are going to be a lot more prevalent, and it will be pretty gray out there through the afternoon and off into your Tuesday evening. Notice, though, how that rainfall is still staying way off to the south into North Carolina, and that rain is drifting then off of the coastline as we head throughout your Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. So while it's close, we're just not going to see any sort of rainfall. And then temperature-wise, it's going to be a steady change with this as we go throughout the afternoon. Seasonably chilly in the upper 30s and lower 40s tonight. With the clouds still off to the south just a little bit, we should still cool off into the 20s as we start to see that cloud cover move in by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then as we head off into the afternoon hours, there will be a little bit more warmth moving back into play. We should be into the middle and upper 40s by tomorrow afternoon. And look at as we go toward the end of the week and off toward Christmas Day, pretty much perfect for your travel plans or anything else you have going on with how quiet it's going to be. But again, we're not looking at a very normal Christmas weather-wise, near 60 degrees as we head toward the holiday.